everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to make a Snapchat account in 2022. It's a very easy process. The first thing you want to do is you want to download the Snapchat application. So to do this, you want to make your way over to your App Store or your Play Store. You want to click the search button and you want to search for the Snapchat app. So then when you go ahead and see the Snapchat application like this, you want to go ahead and download this application. Now this is the app where you're going to be downloading and using Snapchat all the time. So you have to download it in order to actually use it. Now once you download it, you can go and open it up right there, or you can search for the application, and this is what the icon looks like. So you want to go and open it up. Now you may get into a panel that looks like this, probably not, but you'll probably get into an option that says either login or sign up. So in this case, you want to sign up because you want to make a new Snapchat account. You'll get this little option, that'll eventually come up. You can click don't allow, but then you'll eventually come into this panel. So now it's going to ask you what your first name is. So you can go and type in your first name. Then it's going to tell you what your last name is. You can go and type in your last name too. And then you want to go and click sign up and accept. Now it's going to ask you what your birthday is. So now you can go and just say whatever your birthday is. You want to go and click continue. And then it's going to suggest a username for you. So you can change your username if you want to by clicking change username and choosing something else. Or you can just go ahead and accept it. I would probably recommend changing your username to something you're more in tune with. And then once you go ahead and change it, you can go and click continue. And then it's going to ask you to type in your password. So now this is where you can go ahead and type in the password of whatever you want it to be. Then at that point, it's going to tell you to type in your phone number. So you want to go ahead and type in the number that you want to use for your account. Or if you don't want to use your number, you can go ahead and use your email instead. So if you'd rather use your email address, you can go and type in your email address here. And then you would go and click continue. And at that point, it's going to tell you a couple more things to do. And after a few more pop-ups that, are personalized data points that you probably have to go through yourself, you will eventually come into your Snapchat application. And this is where you can start using Snapchat as you normally would. So that's really pretty much it. That's the main process of how to make a Snapchat account in 2022. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.